Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Shibangi and today I want to wish you all a very happy Republic Day. This is the 72nd Republic Day of our nation and today I'm going to create this look keeping the tricolor theme in mind. If you're interested to see how I created this look using only sugar products, then please keep on watching. I'll begin with prepping my skin with Aquaholic Priming Moisturizer, followed by the Bling Leader Illuminator in Pink Trippin, which I will apply only on the highest points of my face. To minimize the appearance of pores, I'll be using a silicone-based primer. This one's called Pore Minimizing Primer by Sugar. I'm using the Archival Brow Pencil in the shade Jerry Brown, using the spoolie I'll brush down the hair, and with the help of the pencil, I'll give my eyebrows a desired shape and fill in the sparse areas. I'm putting least amount of pressure while making these hair-like strokes because the pencil is really pigmented and I want my brows to look as natural as possible. I'll do the other brow off camera. It's time for foundation. I'm using the Power Clay BB foundation in the shade 30 Chocosino. This also has SPF. I'm gently dabbing it all over my face for this sheen and dewy coverage. Now I'm using the Magic Wand waterproof concealer in the shade 30 Chocosino and 40 Breve to conceal and highlight my face. And I'm using a fluffy brush to blend it out. Now to contour, I'm using Ace of Face foundation stick in the shade 65 Espresso, and I'm applying it onto the hollows of my face just to give myself a more chiseled and defined look. To set everything in place, I'm using the Power Clay Translucent Compact. With the help of the applicator, I will gently apply the product all over my face and set my base in place. Now let's begin with the eyeshadow. I'm using Blend the Rules eyeshadow in 02 Warrior. I'll use this beige eyeshadow as my transition shade. And then I'll use the brown eyeshadow to add some warmth. And I'll apply it in back and forth motion. Then I will mix black and brown. And I'll apply this using a fluffy blending brush on the outer V of my eye. And just to add a pop of shimmer, I'm using this olive gold kind of a shade on my lid. I'm using I Dared You So metallic eyeliner in the shade Green Mile to draw a winged eyeliner. Followed by Coal of Honor Intense Kajal in Go Green. I'll apply this on my waterline and my lash line. Time for loads of mascara. I'm using Uptown Curl Mascara from Sugar. And I'm using this blush again from Sugar called Coral Climax. Now I'm mixing Golden and Champagne highlighter from the Glow Genius highlighter palette to highlight the highest points of my face. I'm using Lipping on the Edge lip liner in the shade Taffeta Terracotta to outline my lips, followed by Smudge Me Not Liquid lipstick in the shade Gora Terracotta. It's a beautiful rustic burnt orangish kind of a shade which will suit most of the skin tones. I really love how it looks. Now I'll be using the newly launched Grand Finale SPF 30 setting mist to set my base. And this is the final look. I really hope you like this look, and if you do, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also don't forget to comment down to let me know your thoughts on this one. Happy Republic Day to you all once again. Bye bye.